fasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will deploy from the panels above you. Pull the oxygen mask towards you, cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Make sure your mask is secured properly before assisting others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 doors in the front, 2 doors anterior and 4 exits over the wings. They are clearly identified by exit signs. In case of an emergency, blowhard fluorescent strip lights will guide you to the nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. During an evacuation, for your own safety and for the safety of others, you are required to leave your hand baggage in the aircraft. You will find the safety information on the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. इकोनॉमी और प्रीमियम इकोनॉमी क्लास में लाइफ वेस्ट सीट के नीचे रखी है। बिजनेस क्लास में लाइफ वेस्ट बीच वाले आर्मरेस्ट के कंपार्टमेंट में रखी है। अगर आप ओवी एग्जिट का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो कृपया लाइफ वेस्ट को विंग पर उतरने के बाद ही खुलाएं। इन इकोनॉमी एंड प्रीमियम इकोनॉमी क्लास द लाइफ वेस्ट इज केप्ट अंडर द सीट। इन बिजनेस क्लास द लाइफ वेस्ट इज केप्ट इन द सेंटर आर्मरेस्ट कंपार्टमेंट। If you're evacuating from the OV exits, please inflate your life vest only after you have stepped onto the wing. यदि विमान को पानी पर उतरना पड़े तो लाइफ वेस्ट को सिर के ऊपर से पहने और इसकी बेल्ट को कमर पर बांध लें। लाइफ वेस्ट को लाल टॉगल खींचकर विमान से उतरने के तुरंत पहले खुलाएं। इसे ऊपर लगी लाल ट्यूब में मुंह से हवा भरकर भी खुलाया जा सकता है। हर लाइफ वेस्ट में एक बत्ती लगी हुई है जो बैटरी के पानी से छू जाने पर जल जाती है। याद रखें, लाइफ वेस्ट को सिर्फ आपातकालीन स्थिति के दौरान ही इस्तेमाल करें। बिना कैबिन क्रू के निर्देश के इसे खुलाना और छेड़ना सख्त मना है। धन्यवाद। In the unlikely event of a water evacuation, slip the life vest over your head and secure its straps around your waist. At the exit, pull the red toggle to inflate your life vest. Should it fail to inflate, blow it to the tube. Each life vest has a light which is activated when the battery comes in contact with water. Please note that life vest is to be used or inflated only in case of emergency water landing after authorization of cabin crew and not to be inflated or tempered during normal circumstances. Thank you for your attention. Where the outside temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. You are requested to remain seated and do not open the overhead bins until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care while opening the overhead bins as loose items may have moved during the flight. You may now use your mobile phones. To deplane first, guests with wheelchair bookings are requested to remain seated at the moment. Our team will assist you promptly after other guests have deplaned. You can earn Maharaja points for this flight and redeem them for award flights and cabin upgrades. If you are not a Maharaja Club member yet, visit our website or app to enroll now. Post this flight, you will receive a feedback form link via WhatsApp and email. Please take a minute to share your valuable inputs to help us enhance our products and services. Thank you for flying.